Good morning, my lovely children. Welcome to the class. I hope all of you are fine. Yesterday we learned the noun number. Before moving further, let's do a quick recap. We learned that nouns are naming words and noun numbers are of two types. First, singular that denotes one, and plural and second is plural that denotes more than one. Today we will continue the topic where I told you yesterday that I will be teaching you how to change the singular nouns to plural nouns. Here I have written certain rules that I will be explaining you with examples so that it is easy for you to understand. See, first example is star and it changes to stars. The plural of nouns is generally formed by adding S to the singular. For example, star become stars. Next rule says that nouns ending with ch, that is ch, s, sh, x or z form their plural by adding es to it. I have taken example from ch, ch and x, where bench becomes benches by adding es to it and box changes to boxes. The next rule says that nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant. Now this word is ending with y and it is preceded by r, that means just before the y there is a consonant. So such words are changed by adding ies and removing y from it. We will remove y and we will add ies to convert it into plural. The next rule says that the nouns that end with y and are preceded by a vowel. Here you can see y is a consonant and it is preceded by a vowel. In this case, we add s to the word to make it plural. In the next rule, the words that end with o, they are changed into plural by adding es. Like potato becomes potatoes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Next is the word calf, where the word is ending with f. So any word that is ending with f preceded by a consonant, it is changed into plural by adding ves and we will remove f. Remove the alphabet f and add ves. Next is the word knife. In this, fe are the last two letters. Here we will remove fe and add ves to change it into plural. Some more examples you can see. Box becomes boxes, ending with x, so we have added es. Tomato, ending with o, we have added es to it. Here it is ending with y preceded by a consonant, changes to candies. Y is removed and ies is added to make it plural. Here it is one candy, here many candies. Book, this is a regular noun wherein we have just added s to convert it into plural. So the homework for today is you will get a worksheet in which you will change the singular nouns into plural nouns. I hope all of you have understood. That is all for today. Thank you and take care. Bye-bye.